Reliance Industries reported robust earnings for the July-September quarter of fiscal year 2026 with strong performance across its diversified business segments. Let's break down the numbers. The conglomerate posted a 14.3% year-on-year increase in consolidated net profit at 22,092 crore rupees, while revenue rose 10% to 2,83,548 crore rupees. Consolidated EBITDA grew 14.6% to 50,367 crores, marking the fastest growth in 8 quarters. This recovery signals renewed momentum after recent challenges. Starting with the oil to chemicals business, the OTC segment achieved its highest ever quarterly throughput of 20.8 million metric tons, with EBITDA jumping 20.9%. The OTC margins improved by 130 basis points, reflecting higher efficiencies and favorable market conditions. The GeoBP fuel retail network now operates over 2,000 outlets, with fuel volumes surging 34%. In digital services, Jio Platforms reported net profit of Rs 7,379 crores, up 12.8% year-on-year, with revenue at 42,652 crore rupees, representing a 14.9% increase. Jio crossed the 500 million subscriber milestone, reaching 506 million total subscribers, with average revenue per user growing 8.4% to 211.4 rupees. The company now operates 234 million 5G subscribers. Reliance Retail delivered impressive growth as well, with revenue surging 18% year-on-year and EBITDA growing 16.5% to 6,816 crore rupees. Grocery and fashion segments led growth at 23% and 22% respectively, while consumer electronics grew 18%, aided by GST rate reductions and new launches. The retail network expanded to 19,821 stores. Chairman Mukesh Ambani highlighted the company's robust performance driven by agile operations, domestic-focused portfolio, and structural growth in the Indian economy. He emphasized on the continued scaling of digital services with technology leadership, strong growth momentum in retail across all formats, OTC's operational strength despite market volatility, progress in new growth engines, new energy, media and consumer brands, and focus on AI capabilities to benefit India and Indians. Here is a complete breakdown of the Q2 earnings report. In terms of revenue and profitability, the gross revenue grew 9.9%, EBITDA increased 14.6% year-on-year, net profit rose to 14.3% year-on-year, and capital expenditure stands at 40,010 crore rupees, focused on OTC expansion, Jio network, retail footprint, and new energy projects. In terms of business-wise segment performance, revenue of our Jio platforms was up 14.9% year-on-year, EBITDA grew 17.7% year-on-year. Subscriber milestone was the key, which crossed 500 million total subscribers. Average revenue per user improved to Rs 211.4 per month, and Jio Air Fiber reached 9.5 million subscribers with global leadership position. Data traffic increased 29.8% year-on-year to 58 exabytes. In Reliance Retail, revenue was up 18% year-on-year, EBITDA increased 16.5% year-on-year. It added 412 new stores with strong performance across categories in grocery, fashion and lifestyle, and consumer electronics. JioMart delivered rapid growth with 200% year-on-year growth in average daily orders, and registered customer base reached 369 million. In OTC, revenue was up 3.2% year-on-year, EBITDA surged 20.9% year-on-year, strong rebound in transportation fuel cracks. GeoBP network expanded to 2,057 outlets with impressive volume growth and production optimized with throughput at 20.8 million metric tons. In oil and gas, revenue declined 2.6% year-on-year, EBITDA was down 5.4%, KG-D6 production at 26.1 MMS CMD of gas and 18,746 BBL per day of condensate, and CBM production showed at 5.8% year-on-year growth. In terms of the media business, JioStar recorded quarterly performance with revenue of 7,232 crores, EBITDA at Rs 1,738 crore rupees with industry-leading margin of 28.1%. Jio Hotstar averaged 400 million monthly active users, and network TV entertainment viewership share at 34.5%. For more news and updates, keep watching Live Mint.